Hi guys, this is Drift GB and good morning to everyone and hello to everyone. And today I'm going to play a very special game which everyone likes, and because of that this game my views also have been reached to the top level. Now total I have 7 subscribers, so guys please subscribe if you are new, turn on the bell for my latest videos. And now the game is going to start, and the game's name is Brawl Stars. So Brawl Stars is the game which I'm gonna play. And wait a minute. Earphone must badge back. Earphone must badge back. And yeah, stational and French taser. Yes, French taser library, French taser library, French taser library, French taser library. So yeah guys, now I have my friend who is this gem grab. So guys, whoever is playing online game, we cannot actually hack. Please do not, if you are hacking, it will not hack also, because some people make the video on that and make money and say it's hack, but actually they got the money and they play, or their or the friends which are in the group, I mean in the game, and supplying them the money, they are giving it. So it's not real, and the online generators is sometimes working. So this is the game. So guys, in this I have the unlimited money, how much I want I can use, so it's full. And one is like even if you have less amount you can still buy anything. And one is like when if you buy lesser, if you buy anything which has a lesser amount, and you have more than the lesser amount, then the money increases. And one, yeah, this much is there. And you'll get in advance if you play. So guys, this is gem crab. And I don't know what all I can get. So brawlers, so who is on the top actually? So guys, actually I'm not gonna play game because I'm not that good in games. I'm gonna review all the characters in brawlers. So let's start it from our newbie, the Shelly. So Shelly is the one. So Shelly is a spread fire shotgun blast. Means she uses a fire shotgun which blasts the other team with buckshot. Her super destroys cover and keeps opponents at a distance. Wow. So her name is Shelly. Next comes Nita. Nita has its own partner and she strikes her enemies with a thunderous shockwave. She has a super summons a massive bear to fight by her side. So she have various colors. First she have a bear, then she have a panda, then she have a red nose, then she have a Shiba, then she has a koala, I don't know, koala, and one she has Nita. So she have actually 4 various types of skins. And guys, if you are, I mean 5 various type of skins. And Colt also is a one. Colt also is a sharpshooter. Then comes Bull. Bull is very strong heavyweight guy. One comes Jessie. Jessie also is a fighter, but she has its own robotic or a technological type of partner, I don't know. She has 5 types of various 5 types of skins. A lot of skins she have. Then Brock is actually a sharpshooter, just as the Colt. Then comes Dynamite. Dynamite is a thrower. She throws everything and blasts. Bo is a, who is this guy? This guy is a fighter, but it is good. So he has a various type of skins, and he has only 5 skins. So this is a robotic, again robotic, gold robotic, Horus. And then comes Tick. Tick is actually a robotic guy, and he has only 2 skins. Then A-Beat, I don't know who is this A-Beat. He has 3 skins. Wow. So he's sharpshooter. Emis. She has 4 skins. College one. So guys, you may remember this type of lady was also used in Free Fire, an online game, and she was not a lady in the Free Fire. He was instead of her there was a guy named as Wolfra. He was taking selfie as this lady only. You can see she's taking a selfie. So he's El Primo is a heavyweight guy, but he's from Mexico. Then comes a Barley. All are technological. This guy is a beer waiter and he's very good. So he has a lot of things. She has 6 various skins. Then he has Poco. Poco also is a good player, but he's from Mexico. Rosa is a heavyweight lady, but she doesn't have an extra skin. Rico also is a sharpshooter, but he is a robotic person. Same with Daryl also. He was also heavyweight. Penny is also. Oh, I know this girl. She is very famous in this one Brawl Stars, and also with that, she plays very good also. And guys, if you don't know, she have shooted at least many people also. She has 4 skins. Carl robotic. Then comes Jackie. Jackie is also heavyweight. And he's a support. Yeah, so guys, he revives anyone. He was using. Oh yeah, he was. This guy was in Hotel Transylvania 2 and 1 also. Maybe he was having a bone, someone's bone in his ear. Skins. Told now was a meme. So Nonni Mortis. Good. He's a dashing assassin. A witch or Tara is a lady, but she's covered with something. I don't know. She's a ninja or something, and she has 3 eye. I mean 2 eye only. Mr. P is, guys, you know who is this guy? You know what time is it? You know what time is it? Mr. P! So this guy hits with his suitcase and everyone likes him, such as Movlogs and many others the YouTubers whoever are making videos in the YouTube. This guy is very famous. So two thing, he is a Mr. P and also a businessman known as Agent Sprout. Sprout is actually a robotic guy and he supports everyone by what? Reviving someone. This is Spike. Spike also is a sharpshooter, but I don't know where his eyes and mouth went. Then comes Crow. Oh, toxic assassin. So actually, who is this guy? See, he gives a poison to the opponent players, and everyone dies in this easily. Oh, and he has a lot of skins. He has a Shark Leon, Werewolf Leon, Sally Neon, True Gold Neon, Silver also. Assassin means no one can do that much. Sandy supports. He makes or he or she makes the space inside the sand or something, and she has to and Surge. Surge is my most Surge is my most favorite player. And wait a minute, two things are there. No? A French taser, like French taser. Like, this is a very fight. In Drift G is there. Actually, I cannot make space between G and B because some games they don't allow only. And guys, if you turn on your bell, then you can easily go to my videos and you can there below that there 20 seconds will take. So game is gonna start. Actually, the game has started. So let's start. But I don't know how to play this game. Oh, this game is very awesome. You have to kill others. I don't know. It's full of confusion. Oh, oh shit! What is this? Oh no. Done. The game is done. Match is over. So actually opponent team won, and I don't know how did it happen. Game got restarted again, guys. Sorry for that. Because whenever I purchase anything, something usually happens. Oh yeah. I cannot purchase any of these things. Even if I purchase something else, only will happen. Let's try again. So guys, you see, I can buy how much money do I want. So guys, if you subscribe me, I can give you free brawl coin packs. Just what you have to do is, you have to do is just write your your username in the comment section and comment box or whatever, right there, and I will just give you the points over there and you will be rich. But I'm not fake like anyone else. But if you guys do like, or if you give me the request through in the Brawl Stars, I can guys give you free brawl coins. So please, if you want these coin packs, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. You guys will be thinking I am so selfish. I'm not really selfish for subscribing, or I don't want to be, and is means not to be so much of people subscribing me. Just subscribe, and guys, I want to help you guys, so that's why I am giving you guys free money. So if you subscribe, I'll give you free money. So let's start one more. Let's add some. This in online games they use the code. So no problems. So guys, what you have to write is write your username and just write it done, and then your money will be received to you. I'm not joking or something, I'm literally serious, and I don't know why the game is not starting or something. So we'll go to the other event such as Brawn Ball. Go over there. So guys, our game is going to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Woohoo! Peter. Oh, my health is less. My health is decreasing. But I will have to come some more hours. Actually, how to kill these people? Oh, what the hell is this? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't know what happened. Actually, who the hell win? I don't know. How did I kill? I got killed. One more time. Oh yes, yes. I have my. I have a big power. What am I gonna do? Oh, I don't know what happened. So it's a 2 minutes game. I don't know who the hell is winning, but maybe I killed the person. Arda, come on! I can do this! No, 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 no! We must get loose. Previous match also I got loose. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, come on! Oh shit! Actually, we were. So guys, the game ends here and the video ends here, and if you like and turn on the bell for my latest notifications and latest videos, and share it and comment below how was it, and turn on the bell for my latest notifications and latest videos, and share it and comment below how was it, and comment section just write how was it. Just guys, if you want free brawl coins and free brawl whatever is there, you just comment in that, write your username and just say done, and if it does not happen, just request me. My YouTube channel is only my username driftg and spacebar b, and request me, and tomorrow you will receive the free brawl coins. And thanks for watching guys. Just write your username in the comment section, and say write done, and if it does not happen, go to my username right there and just request me and write it whatever is there. My birthday, I need free brawl coins, whatever is there guys, I will give you free brawl coins. So I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching my video, and thank you for coming. So thanks for watching guys.